Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and today's video is going to be a quarantine made me buy a video. I've been spending so much money just sitting here. All I do is online shop and then I just somehow end up buying all this stuff. And I ended up placing an order at Ulta and an order at Sephora. I actually forgot that I had a gift card from Sephora for my friend Shelby. I did a Secret Santa back around Christmas time and the participants surprised me with gift cards, which was so sweet. So I wanted to use that, and then I got a couple of other things that were on sale. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I picked up. In Ulta, I don't know what I was doing. I just wanted to spend money. I got a couple of things that were on sale, but most of it was just impulse buys because that's what I've been doing. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this because I have a feeling it's going to be quite a long video. So this is all the stuff from my Sephora haul. I think I spent like $60 here, which really isn't that much. The first thing that I got are these Hum vitamins. These are the Beauty Z's. They help promote sleep. I've been having a really hard time falling asleep because my sleep schedule is absolutely crazy right now. So I wanted to give these a try. I've heard a lot of good things about Hum nutrition, so I wanted to try these. I guess they're having some sort of clearance sale or something because I got a little discount coupon thing. I got the samples. I picked a perfume and an oil. I wasn't sure what they are. This is the Ghost oil. It sounded interesting, so I thought I would try that. And then I got this perfume because, as you guys are going to see in this haul, I've been obsessed with perfumes lately. So I hope this doesn't stink. Oh, yeah, very floral. This is not my favorite. Oh my god, that's like killing me. Oh my god, these are way smaller than what I thought. Okay, that's disappointing. So I wanted to try Milk makeup and I decided to get this little sample thing. It was called the Rinse. It's cooling water and blur stick. This is the cooling water. These are way smaller than what I thought they were. This is the blur stick. I wanted to try these so bad. Ooh, I like the way that feels. The blur stick feels really nice. That's exciting. Okay. So I've been wanting to try Milk for a really long time and I thought these were going to be a little bit bigger, but they're just small sample sizes. I didn't pay very much for them, so I should have expected that, but they both feel really nice and I'm excited to give it a go. Have you guys tried Milk makeup? If so, what are some of your favorite products from them? Because I do want to try more of their stuff. I think this was also a little free thing as well. This is a dry texture spray, which I could use it on my hair today. My hair needs some textures. The next thing I got is from Kat Von D, and I know I'm probably gonna get shit for it, but it was on sale and I wanted to try it. I got this dark lippy, which you can't see because the lighting's not very well in here, but this is the Sinner. It says it's a new shade, but it's the Sinner perfume bundle thing. And I hope that this smells good. I don't know if I like that. That may have to grow on me. It doesn't smell bad, but it's very old lady-ish. So that's kind of disappointing. So the next thing that I got are just these cotton pads. I needed more of these and I actually just had someone grab my reusable cotton pads to send me off my Amazon wish list. So I'm really excited about that because I don't want to have to keep throwing these away because they're really bad for the environment. And the last thing that I got from Sephora is their Sephora Play subscription box. Most of these were sold out, but I thought I would give it a try just to see. It looks like their theme was astrology. Everything comes packed cutely in this little bag. So the first thing that I got is a soothing treatment, which I thought was for your hair, but it actually looks like it's for your face. The smell in it's not the greatest, but it's not that bad either. So that's just a cute little sample size. All these are sample sizes. The reason that I picked this one is because it had the Glam Glow in it. This is the Super Mud Cleansing Treatment. So I'm really excited to try that. In it is also, ooh, a Cover Accept setting spray. That's exciting. A Photo Finish Primer by Smashbox. Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. Ooh, okay. A little sample size of that. I don't really wear eyeliner that much, but still excited to have something if I need it. And then we got another perfume, which I'm spraying lots of perfume in here, so hope this one doesn't stink. Okay, it's halfway empty. That's a ripoff. Oh, this one doesn't smell that bad. This is Flower Balm. That actually smells pretty good. I'm pleasantly surprised with that one. So that's everything that I got from Sephora. Everything that I got was really small. I should have known that because what I was paying wasn't very much money, but I'm really excited to give some of the products a try, and I will let you guys know what I think of them at some point, probably on Instagram or Snapchat. So the last place I went is Ulta, and I got a lot of stuff here. I spent like $100 here. I have been on a foundation slash perfume kick. I wanted to try a bunch of new foundations and I wanted to try a different perfume. I'm kind of upset because I tried a new foundation today and it does not look good. It's a Smashbox one that I got a sample of. Not the greatest. So I'm very displeased with it. It's very cakey. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but I'm not digging it in person. So the first thing that I got a lot of Wet n Wild stuff because they were having like a sale on Wet n Wild. So I got this foundation. I feel like I've tried this foundation before and I can't remember if I liked it or not. We're gonna try it and give it another go. It wasn't that expensive because it was on sale. Okay, so the next two things I got are from Wet n Wild too. They're the coconut. One is the primer water and then one is the coconut water drop primer. I really love the way coconut smells, so I thought I would just try this out and see what I thought. I'm excited for those. I think these are maybe newer products, but again, Wet n Wild was on sale, so I wanted to try those. Okay, so the next thing I got, I've been wanting for a really, really long time. This was on sale too. This is the Jeffree Star and Morphe setting spray. I've heard really good things about Morphe setting spray, so I'm excited to give that a try, and it would just look really cute sitting next to my vanity because it's bright pink. So I'm excited, and the smell of this smells really, really good. It's like a strawberry, but it's called Starberry. So the next thing that I got is from e.l.f. I thought that I ordered 2 e.l.f. things, but apparently I only ordered 1. I needed a new daily moisturizer, so I wanted to try this one. It's just called Daily Moisturizer. I'm excited to try it. The packaging looks really nice. And I feel like e.l.f. has really stepped up their game lately. As I've been saying this whole time, I've been obsessed with foundation lately, so I'm gonna give this the Shade Stick Juvia's Place foundation. I'm excited to try this. I have the concealer from them and I really like it, so I will let you guys know what I think about this, but I'm super excited. Then I picked up 2 of my favorite tried and true. I have plenty of back of these. This is the NYX brow pencil. I got these in blonde because my hair has changed. I'm like a dark blonde now, and I wanted, hopefully this will be a little bit lighter because my brows, I suck at brows. I know I suck at brows, but my brows have been kind of dark lately, and I wanted to try something just a little bit lighter than what I had been using, which was taupe. So as you guys probably know, salons and stuff like that right now are closed, and I think that Not Your Mother's was having a sale. I feel like I cheated on my sister, but I picked up this Plump for Joy body building shampoo, dry shampoo, which I need dry shampoo. I'm gonna hit my sister up after this and get some more. It's in the shade Orange Mango, so I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried Not Your Mother's, I don't think, but I know that a lot of people like it. I usually stick with whatever my sister gives me because she's thebomb.com and she provides me with a lot of products, but I wanted to try this out. And the last thing that I got is a fragrance by KKW. It's by Courtney, Kim, and Chloe. That's what the packaging looks like. It's just a light pink, but then this is the actual product. It feels nice and heavy. Hopefully this doesn't stink. It has some floral scents to it. I'm not sure if I love it. I'm gonna give it some time and see what I think. It was on sale. It was like $28. It's normally $40. And I thought the packaging was really cute, so I'm gonna wear it out today and see what I think, but I may hate it. A lot of perfumes have floral scents in them, and I just don't like floral. If you guys have a favorite, I prefer like musky scents, like sandalwood and like minish scents. That's what I like. So if you guys have a good pick for that, then let me know. Right now I use Marc Jacobs Daisy, and I really like that one. So maybe I will end up liking this as well. It feels really nice. It feels really heavy. So that was it for my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I cannot stop spending money, so I'm sure that there will be another one like this. If you guys have any favorites that you would like me to try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to try next, or if you want any reviews of these products. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.